Hello, ma'am, sir, good day. I am Lilibet Palma. You can call me Lily for short. Married, blessed 4 children, age of 23, 21, 18, and 16. My height is 157 centimeter. My weight is 67 kilometers. I high school graduate. I have experience in Saudi Dammam for 5 years and Philippines for 3 years. I can take care kids, cleaning, ironing, cooking Filipino foods, and I'm willing to learn how to Chinese food. Please hire me as your helper. Currently, I am here in Philippines applying job in Hong Kong. I'm honest, kind, and easy to learn instruction. Thank you and have a nice day.